Hello, welcome back. I'm recording again. I know I said that by the next episode I'd have my new setup ready. I don't. I don't. So as you can see, the LED lights aren't even up or anything yet. This isn't even my setup. So today we just made my new bed. It's a queen size bed because I was sleeping on the floor for a while because my old bed broke. So I got this for Christmas. Basically, I'll give you a run up of it. I can go like this. That right there, my dresser and my TV are moving to where I am right now. My, I got a new desk, again, down there. Oh, which is gonna be going over like right there, and then behind us. So on this wall, there's gonna be LED lights, and then on that wall back there, there's gonna be fairy lights. It's gonna look pretty awesome. So for now, we have to stick with a boring old not that awesome setup, but it works. And today, we're doing something a little bit more than just Roblox. I got my second game for the new computer. Um, this is. I obviously don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, there we go. We're on Minecraft. All right. My computer's awesome. Honestly, my old computer didn't run smooth. With Minecraft. I did have Minecraft for my old computer though. So here it is. Here's the beautiful Minecraft world. I thought I just showed off. This is, hold on, let's go. Here. This world's called, I don't know. So we were trying to test um, to see if it ran smooth. And, um, I asked my mom what to name the world. And she's like, I don't know. So I named it. I don't know. So, anyways, what I thought we could do is check out some servers on multiplayer. Yeah. I'll see you guys in a few seconds. I'm looking up a few server. Wait, this is my old account. I might still have servers. Don't think I do. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I got a server IP for. Oh my god, what's happening? There we go. Server name is. You'll see right now. It's hypixel. So I'm quite a noob to anything computer related. So yeah, that's a problem, but I'll get used to it. So the server IP is mc dot hypixel. So pixel dot net. Okay. Sorry, it was slow. I was doing it with one hand. Okay. Okay, done. Let's see if we can get it. Holiday sale. Yeah, it's a holiday sale. I think everywhere has Boxing Day sales, and it's Boxing Day. Wow. Okay, let's join the server. Let's check it. Oh, I thought it said that it disconnected. Okay. This is my first time trying with multiplayer. It seems to be running pretty smooth. Oh, what did I just do? There we go. I fixed it. So how did I do that? Oh, I see. Okay. Um, anyone hear that? Or is that just me? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna turn down my sound. Sorry, guys. I'll be ready in a second. Put like basically. See, I'm gonna put these ones up a bit more. Voice speech. Weather's at 100, dude. I hate the weather sound. I'm okay. Done. Okay. Let's check out the games. Okay, we're just gonna take a look around first because I'm new to this. Hold on. Does that look better? Yeah, that kind of does. All right. What is over here? Oh, that was a lag spike and a half. Okay. I'm so confused. Bed Wars and Sky Wars. Merry chests. Okay, you know what? I forgot. Oh, Murder Mystery Snow Globe map. Dude, I want to play Murder Mystery. That sounds awesome. So wait, how do we know what games to play? Sorry, I'm a noob. Holiday mode. Solo mode. Joining world. Okay. Oh god, what game is this? Okay. Uh. Oh, I disconnected. Dang. Okay. I know that was actually. I thought it was just going to bring me back to the hub. I think that was build battle, but that's something for another video. All right, I'm gonna figure out what I'm doing, and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, I think I finally figured some things out. I didn't. I should have looked around in the thing that I pressed a little bit more. But if I go like this, if I right click, it'll bring me to every single game. So I want to play Murder Mystery. Let's join Murder Mystery. Okay. Hmm. It's weird. I bet you there'd be some pretty awesome music. But I got music on. Okay, so when does the game start? Oh, you pet. Doi doi. Uh, Murder Mystery Classic. Snowfall. Let's do Snowfall map. I don't see anyone. Am I alone? Okay, wait. Uh, okay. Okay, three, two, one. There we go. I'm back, guys. I think I know how to do it now. I'm having a hard time, dude. My dudes. What? Oh, okay. There we go. There we go. There. Now there's actually people. Okay. Okay. I'm probably gonna fail miserably, and this has mostly been just me learning, like the last episode as well. For the next episode, I'll learn a bit more. Oh my god. Okay, my role, innocent, stay alive as long as possible. Okay, I'm getting away from people quick. A few lag spikes, honestly. Multiplayer's messing me up. Alright, let's get on the train. Let's get on the train, boys. You can't go on the train? You're kidding, right? Okay. Oh, freaking, he's coming. Okay, I'm having a hard time, dude. So I'm sorry. Okay, that's so cool. It's like, I don't know, the bush thingies that are like going through. You get the deal. If you've played Java, you've already seen it, probably. Okay, let's go hide somewhere, boys. Okay, has anyone been dead? No, no one's died. I hear horses. Oh, well, I want that. You've got one too. Where do you get these horses? They're coming from this way. Okay, there better be a horse over here for me. How did they get it? There's even more. I want a horse. Minimap. Ooh. Get gestures. Ingot. Alright. Oh god, I think I just heard people die. Okay. I don't even know what I'm doing. Detective is still alive. Uh, Innocence left is 10. Oh, money. I got 2 coins. Let's go, boys. I'm hashtag. Oh, Minecraft OCD right there. Had to shut. God. Oh, there's people, and I'm getting scared. Minecraft OCD right at me again. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm getting in there with you, boy. Oh god. Oh my god. There's a minute left. We're gonna survive. There's a minute left. We're gonna survive. Okay. 60 seconds till innocents win. Woo! Okay, I'm playing this up like with this dude. Yeah! Oh, the detective killed him. Nice. That was fun. Woo! Awesome. That was a lot of fun. Alright, but we're coming up to my time though. My time to be done. Okay. Dang lag again. Alright, time to oh, coordinates. Wow! Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am definitely gonna make more Minecraft videos in the future. It's a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun with Screencast-O-Matic being back, the whole computer in general. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a lot of fun. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!